Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, it's been a while since we have spoken to this young reggae general, and we're going to talk to him about his visit Jamaica Easter campaign, and there's a whole bag of other things. Please help me to welcome to Daytime Live, Mr. Ras-I.
Blessed love, man.
Blessed love.
Before we get into, the real talk,
okay,
don't you agree that when you have a lot of siblings,
oh my gosh,
they can take care of each other and take some of the pressure off the parents?
I don't go with all of me and my sibling them too, so.
See?
Yeah, I have a sister with me, I'm basically her handbag when I'm youth. So anywhere she go, father say, yo, you can't go unless.
Yeah, mommy and daddy get a break.
Yeah.
All right, I hear that. Speaking of a break, just recently the Jamaican Tourist Board, they used your song for an initiative that they have to encourage persons to return to Jamaica, and they used your hit song, Somewhere Wonderful. How did you feel about that, and how did that come about, and sharing your music on such a huge campaign? What was that like?
Yeah, it's a great feeling, it's a great honor, to have my music represent Jamaica, brand Jamaica. It's something, if you ever see me on stage live, I'm always saying this song is the official and unofficial Tourist Board anthem for Jamaica.
Yeah.
So
I've been speaking
it into being for a while. So when it comes through, my friend them say, yo, I see you talk this so much time. And
so when you created the song, did you know that this was I know you didn't know it was coming, but did you know it was coming? Because obviously.
Yeah, it's a vision we did have, but what I say is like, if you listen to the lyrics, I not talk about rivers and beaches, I just talk about everyday life for we as Jamaicans during COVID, because that was when we created the song. And we just wanted to go somewhere wonderful, so we had to do it through the music. So it's a great honor, and I think it's a good move to have corporate entities bridge that gap with the culture, because now we can inspire more youths to make some more music.
Yeah, we need it.
We need it. We don't need it to be commercially done all the while, but just to inspire more youths so that we can bridge that gap to show the support between corporate and the culture and keep it pushing forward.
For so long it's been separate,
Because your song wasn't commercially made.
No.
It just resulted that it represented the culture in a really positive way. And it's that, make positive music.
Positive music.
I mean, Ras-I is a name now that persons no longer go, who that?
Me not believe that.
Come on, don't even be modest.
I mean, me always just treat it like me reintroduce myself in any room, on any stage.
Even if that's how you do it, I'm talking about just persons knowing who you are, and this is your path. But when was that moment that you said, hey, this is me, I'm going 100% in?
As Ras-I?
Yeah, that I'm doing music.
Yeah,
this is my thing.
This is what
I do this or this or this. I just do music.
I think years now, when I saw the love that people were getting or giving me for Crazy Over You, a collaboration with Runkus and Royal Blue, and then Kingman thing now really kind of set it on a different trajectory, and then Somewhere Wonderful. So for me, I guess when we created Kingman thing, it's like I kind of really settled in on my own.
Like you say, this is me.
Don't like that sound, I like that energy.
Yes, you're not about to go off a tree, go do no more cash for gold,
Cash for gold. So Ras-I, for me, like reggae music it's always carried deep truth. I think for me personally, I feel like it's the voice of the revolution, whatever revolution is happening, either personally, globally, whatever is happening. I feel reggae music has always been deep truth. What deep truth with your music do you want people to take away and say, yo, that Ras-I?
The message of love. We need more love. More love. If you ever listen to how we reason with one another sometimes, we're very aggressive people.
You're telling me? I work with Duff Don. He's always yelling at me.
But at the same time, we're built for survival.
Yeah.
We grow up on that, we're built for survival. But sometimes we have to know when to be compassionate, when to have empathy for each other. And
if you sand them with some grade 1 sandpaper,
we can't
crusty.
We can't just
fish brush.
Right,
no, I agree with you.
Fish brush loving.
Balance, because I always say balance is key. So we still need to know how to be loving to each other more.
All right, so tell us, new music. What do you have?
New music, well, this Friday.
What's in store?
It's Friday. Island Wave Production, them a drop a rhythm, named Sacred Rhythm. So I am on the rhythm with a few other artists. We have a song named Testify, and then at the end of the month, I go to the UK for a couple shows, City Splash Fest, South by Southwest London, and a couple other things.
Splash,
so
yeah.
looking forward to that. And then the album in the pipeline.
Yeah.
Same,
Excellent.
How far?
Excellent.
It'll work. All right, cool.
Yeah.
So, Ras-I, you are such a big name in reggae. You do such awesome things, and you've collaborated with a lot of persons. Is there like another dream collaboration that you're like, yo?
A whole heap of dreams.
Top 3.
Yeah.
Not top 3. Let's give us 3. Don't say it's not top 3.
It's just 3 you can think about
Just
right
3.
now.
Yeah.
Stephen Marley, Sizzla Kalonji, and Capleton.
Wow.
Yeah, 3 artists who really.
You know, so right now, everybody
Wow.
say, yo, so that even one name how we that even one beer stay on collab.
When you say
No,
three,
I'm just messing with you.
Yeah.
I'm just
I love that.
Yeah, man.
I love
I'm just
that.
messing with you. Touring, you told us about your shows that are coming up. Do you have any other like long-term touring plans?
No, not right now. That is more next year after the album come out. And
Yeah.
So right now we just go and punch them.
Because once the album drops, then that is a lot of work you have to put into
it's a whole heap
promoting.
of work
On
for
the
me
road.
because I spend a whole heap of time to create the album them, so I feel like we have to spend a good amount of time promoting it
Agreed.
and pushing it because
Agreed.
we live in a time where it seems like the lifespan of music is so short when it comes out to certain things. We don't want that for me, so we gotta do our part to ensure that people don't just love 30 seconds of a song. I want them to love the whole song.
Yeah, and the albums, like I'm glad that you said that because there was a time for me that I used to love when somebody drop an album that you're like, oh, like Lauryn Hill's Miseducation. You're like, yo, I love this song, ooh, and this song, ooh, and this song,
That's
ooh,
my
of
favorite
one
album
album.
of all
That's
time
my
still.
favorite album of all time.
You know,
And I miss the day when you used to have like, out of 12, you love 8 or 9.
I remember
Nowadays,
the full
people drop an
12.
album or the 12 because I love this.
30 seconds. Give us social media where persons can find you and of course stream your music. And you have any plans for this Sunday, Mother's Day?
All right, well, the social media first.
Yeah, we can talk about that one there first.
He's like, I'm
at
working on it.
RASI_MUSIQUE on all platforms. And for Mother's Day, we're going to spend some time with Mommy, of course, and then we'll go to a Romain Virgo show.
Oh, yeah.
Is mommy going with you on Romain Virgo show?
Most likely.
Most like, I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
You know, so all if she never there go, no, because I'm most likely.
It's like,
She already up herself.
ready
Go
up,
down close.
mommy. Right?
down
No.
close, right,
She's like, what am
no.
I wearing?
Listen, thank you
Alright.
so much, Ras-I.
Yes, sir.
We'll be supporting. Now, he's not leaving. He's going
Don't
to be
worry,
giving us an
guys.
acoustic
Don't worry.
performance later on the show. But before that, we're going to take a quick break and we have some music from Papa San.
Papa
Which song?
San.
We don't know. Come back.